All right, let's take a look here at our going into our Splunk server. So what we're going to do first is we're going to access it, and then we're going to go into it and then configure it. So let's take a look. So coming in here with remote access, we're going to click this, and we're going to come into the server. We're going to pick our site. So we've got a couple sites here. One. And then we're going to come into the server, and then we're going to see as we log in here. And with a VPN-less remote access via browser, going to come in here and just take a look at maybe a report or two, take a look and see what we've got. Disk objects, let's click on something here. Get something back. There we go. We'll just pick on that. We're going to take a look at this. We've got a few things that we're going to take a look at. And then what we're going to do here is next is we're going to come over here to the application itself, and we're going to say, oh, we need to configure this for Splunk. So right now I have it set for the Wazoo SIM. So basically what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click and edit, and then I'm going to click here and pick the port number, and I'm going to go 9997, and then change this to my 133, which is my Splunk server. And you can see how easy that is to track and set up. We're going to click that, and then we're going to pop back over here. We're going to pick over to our Splunk server, and then we're back into this, and then we're going to take a look at some different areas in here. And then basically what we're going to do is going to look at the search history, take a look at some of our results that are going to pop up here in a second. Come on, demo. There we go. And then what we can do is we can take a look and we can see basically some actions that happen within the server itself. So we'll click on this, and then we can see what's going on in Splunk. So basically what I've done there is I've taken very easy to do, take a existing SIM, switch it over to Splunk SIM, and then basically I can do analysis on the fly after that. As soon as it starts catching up on the logs, we can start to see some of that, and I will cover that in a next demo.